Hello, in this one you can checkmate the black king in two. There's only one move that will work. Any other moves will be a mate in four or worse. Black has the king, queen, bishop, knight and pawn. White has the king, three pawns, pair of bishops, knight and a queen. It's White's turn. Can you see the checkmate in two for white? Moving the queen to e3 won't get you a mate in two unless black does take the queen with their knight, because then you can take it back with your knight to mate in two. But black can instead move their queen. Then after you check the king with your knight, queen has to take. Then you can take back with your queen. And then after that you can just mate in four with the queen. If black tries to move the king instead of pushing the pawn, you can still mate in four with the queen to f5 move. Taking the queen with your bishop won't get you a mate in two unless the king takes it back, in which case you can move the queen up to e5 to mate in two. But instead, black can block with the bishop. And then after you take with the queen, they can block with the knight. Then they run out of moves and you can finally checkmate in just four with the queen. Taking the knight with your bishop isn't a mate in two. Black can move their queen to h2, pinning the white knight to the king. After you move the king out of the way, the bishop can take the knight. You can then move in and check the king with the queen. The bishop has to take back, and then you can do a nice mate in four, but not two with the pawn. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in two for white, you need to move the queen to e7. If black takes your queen, you can then move your knight to e3 to checkmate in two. If black decides to take your queen with their queen, you can then move your knight to f4 to checkmate in two. If black does something like take the pawn with their knights, then you can take the black queen with your queen to checkmate in two. And if black takes your knights with their bishop, you can just take it back with your bishop to checkmate in two. That's it for this puzzle. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.